Hello, it's How To Not To, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change the cycle during the operation. So I've already loaded the drum and I'm now going to add the detergent. And I'm going to select the, the cotton wash, yes. So we'll start off with the cotton wash and we'll see if we can change it during the operation. Okay, press play. So I'll just let that load up with water and then I'll try and change the cycle. I'll show you how to change the cycle during the operation. Okay, so I don't want to do a 3-hour, 15-minute cycle, so now I want to change the cycle to another cycle. Cycle. Right, so what you need to do if you want to change the cycle during the operation, you just realise, oh, I don't want to do the cotton wash, it's going to take too long. Let me change it to another cycle, which is quicker. So what you need to do is press on the pause button. Do that. Ooh. So that has paused the operation. What you need to do now is select a different cycle, which I'm going to do right now. So the cycle I want to do is the mix load, and it's allowing me to do it, so that's great. Okay, I've selected the mix load, and I'm going to keep everything the same apart from the temperature. As you know, I'm very eager to save on my energy bills, so I'm going to reduce it to 30 degrees, 2 rinses, 1400 RPM, and that's going to now take over 1 hour to do. So what you want to do now is press the play and pause button to get it going. And as you can hear there, it's kind of thinking about it, isn't it? It's changing the cycle to do a mix load. And there you go. It's now starting to wash. So if I was to change the cycle now while it's operating, I don't think I'll be able to do that. So let me try. It doesn't allow me to change the cycle while the machine is in operation. So what you want to do is press the play pause button, then change the cycle, and then press the pause button again to start a new cycle. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. Thank you. Okay, and I'll just leave you with the new cycle.